The simplest way to zoom into a video is to increase the scale of a clip. In the effects control panel, you can increase or decrease the scale as required. Then using the vertical and horizontal position controls, you can adjust where in the clip you want to zoom into. If you want to zoom in while a clip is playing, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to start from and set a keyframe. You can do this in effect controls, click the stopwatch icon next to the scale property, and this will set a keyframe where the playhead currently is. Next, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to finish, and you can move the playhead either on the timeline or in the effects control panel. You can then add the keyframe to finish the zoom by either clicking the Add Remove Keyframe button in effect controls, or alternatively, just move the playhead to where you want the clip to finish and start inputting the new scale you want the clip to zoom into. If you wish to delete your keyframes and start again, simply click the stopwatch and this will give you the option to delete all of your existing keyframes for that property.